Good morning in this lovely morning. Today hopefully we'll do some more roofing like over here. But I would like to show you, because on last video I told you how I fix this wooden structure over 100 square meters to 2 containers using only 8 screws. So this is it. This is this original, every corner got exactly the same. And you see here, I put this plate, metal plate, and it's wedging, you see, on another side. Basically you can put it in and twist it. See, and then just one big screw. See, it's holding on this. And the screw is going through the joist all the way here. And that's it. That's how it's holding the whole structure on every corner. See, another here, there and there. And then we have there, and somewhere, there and there. And that's it. And hopefully we will not get blown away from the winds when they gonna come from the mountains, because the winds from the mountains can be really strong. So we have also insulation here above the containers, because I didn't have to do that if I knew I'm gonna put this, but I changed my mind like 100 times. But more insulation is better. More is better, no? So will be all good. And yeah, let's crack on and do some installation of this roof.